Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Visa gift card on Temu. So first step you need to do is to open the Temu website. So you can do this same process onto the app as well. So here you can see that I already added 3 items into my basket and I go on to the checkout. So once I go on to the checkout and here you can see payment methods. You can have an option to add card, PayPal, ClearUp, Google Pay, and this one also. So let's suppose I want to add the card. So you simply need to click on card and then you need to fill out the Visa gift card details here. That is card number, expiry date, CVV code, and click on once you added that, you simply need to click on submit order and your order will be placed. So this is the process how you can use Visa gift card on Temu. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.